Hi ladies, this is Sophie from MindBarretty. Today I just finished the project that I use my digital kit, which is called Baking Time, and I really had a lot of fun with this one. So I will put all of this one in my Etsy shop. This will be a special price and will be like 3 of them, so I will show you each of them. There are a lot of details, so if I cannot make this one in one video, so I will put like 2 videos. So first of all, I would like to show you put this one aside first so it would not distract you. So the first one is like an envelope, and this one would like to the one who get this one will keep all the recipe. So just untie the rope, and this one will be tucked inside. So this will be attached with the cocoa. Sorry, I put the light on because it's nighttime, so it's a bit of sunny. And I put some lace and some bling like a charming here, and also the blue fabric, and also tie the rope. And this one is like a hard cover, so I glue this one on the chipboard. Okay, and this is for the journaling. You can put like the picture or anything you wish in here. This is just like a flap, and also this one is the tuck spot that is just tuck it in just now. Okay, and flip it through. This is a pocket. So this one I create a pocket and add some eyelet on here with some fabric and the bling on here, and also you can put like all the recipe in here. This one is a pocket also, so I create this one in a hot chipboard. Okay, is you can put the recipe down here, and here maybe the picture, or you add some note here. And this is like I create this one in a manila folder. Okay, and for this one I use an eyelet and tie the rope here. Okay, and this is a flap. I like this color. I use the scrapbook paper from I will show you later. Okay, and this also attached with the ribbon, and also a hot chipboard, and also a tuck spot here, and you can do anything here. So this one is like you can put many things in here, but I just show you that how much room you can have with this one. So I tie this one with the rope underneath and tie it here. Okay, so this is an envelope. I really had a lot of fun with this color. It's very vintagey. Love it so much. The second one is the index card. If you see here, everything here I just cut the hot chipboard, and then also the tab just manually like cut it, and you can put any recipe in here. So I tie and hold this one together with a lace. But if you have like a box or something, you can put this one in a box and put like all the note here. So this is very interactive. The first one is an envelope. This one I put some distress ink, and also with some dictionary, and also tie a knot with the yellow one, the yellow color. The same thing with an eyelet here. This one is an envelope that I create from scrap paper also. Inside here with an ephemera. This is at the back. And I distress all the ink with vintage ink of Tim Holtz. This one is a baking sheet. So I just like distress this one so it looks like it's burning. And this the favorite chocolate cake, and I stamp on here. This is the recipe card. The recipe card you can fill in. This is the ads on it. It is like the pudding. Very nice. So I put this one in here. So you can put like a secret recipe in here. And I just tie it like this. Okay. So this one will come with I will tie it later to make it more nice because it might run out of time. So this one. And the index card, this is the first one. You will see this is in the kit, everything in the kit, and I will put the link to my kit below. This one is like a tag spot. So this is the tag that came in the kit. I put some fabric and also some charm and also some lace here, like a trunk. And this is the heart shape board. And this one is a tag. You can put the recipe underneath here, and I emboss this one and this dress in the gold color. Okay, so this is the first recipe tab. The second one is this page, and this one is also the tuck spot on the sides, and there are two tabs with some bling, and I put some safety pin to tuck it in. Okay, and this also the safety pin with the bell. I like it. And this one is little create like a note or a pocket that you can put anything on the recipe on your own here. This is gasoline bag. So I tuck it in here. This is the second index of the recipe. Okay, the next one is right here, and this one I put like some fabric ticket, and also I put like a wax thread print on here, sewing on it, and also with some little sugar here with some note, and a tuck spot is right here. And this one is also the tuck spot. This one I create the baking sheet to form this one like a tag cover with the pocket here. There's a pocket and also some note right in front of it. And this is also like a tag with the braid. Okay. And the fourth one is the kids like asking for a braid or something, and this one is also the flip over, and also you can put any recipe, or this one is like a yeast or something. So I put some button on it and also some fabric, and this is an envelope that I collage, and I put some note here. And also this one is like belly band. And flip it back. So this one is the fourth recipe tab. So you will get in this one, there are 4 recipe tab. Is hardcover and is very sturdy. And we'll tie this one afterward. And the last one I just finished just now, and I really